Finally picked up my barn find I found 3 years ago. Unfortunately, these Mach ones have doubled in price since 2019. I had to pay twice as much for it as I could have bought it for, but I wanted it. .351 4-speed. It's been sitting in the barn 17 years. And hopefully it does not sit in mine that long. I'm not sure if this drag strip's still open. I'll have to look it up. But it has been on the racetrack back in the day. Needs a lot of love. A lot of money put in it. Some people can't see the beauty in these old cars. But all you have to do is open your eyes and your imagination. Yesterday was the first day this old truck been out of the garage in over a year. Pulled her right home, no problem.